welcome to Super Radar. So today I'll show you how to fix this mud guard which I have ordered for my TATA Curvv. So same this issue was there even with my TATA Hexa. So same kind of part I have ordered for this Curvv also. So after installing this, the issue has been solved from past 7 years with my Hexa. I'm pretty happy with that solution. So this part is having some screws and some metallic washers also. So you just have to remove your existing part and you have to put back this one. So I personally preferred to wash my car then fix it, so that there is no mud accumulation. So I'll just show you step by step how to remove the wheel and how to fix this. So it's your personal choice, like you can remove the wheel or without wheel removal also you can do it. If you lift the vehicle, automatically wheels will come down a little bit, so without removing wheels also you can do it. So this part exactly will go there to that door arch. So we are removing the wheel, and before that one time we just washed it. Even after removal of wheel, I thought of washing that mud guard which was existing. So we removed the wheel. You can see there is a small screw below, and after that you can see red kind of dots which are all actually plastic screws which easily you can open with your hand also. So it was not actually holding that part so tightly because they are plastic parts and which was like easily hand removable. So I replaced those plastic kind of screws with metallic ones which is provided by Chandru. So you can see with bare hand easily you can remove them. There are I think about 5 to 6 screws, so you just have to remove and then that part will come out. You can see how much mud is accumulated even inside that screw because it is not so tight. So there was another screw in the bottom, so after removing that we can able to remove that part. So I removed that part, and in that place I have fixed this. So still I didn't tighten the screws, so I'm just showing how to place it exactly. So now you can see I have tightened the screws with metallic ones and with metallic washers. So this bottom one is having some plastic lock inside to fix the screw, which I was not able to do that, but I felt it is so sturdy because of metallic screws, so I just left that without fixing anything. So finally we are fixing back the tire. That's it. You can see this part which is exactly covering the door part, so mud will not cross that part and enter into the door. So it is little like some extra protruded out of the door, so you don't find it exactly unless and until you keen to that place. So just covering back that cap for the wheel also. So finally you can see how it looks. So this is the existing part, so which is just like a papery kind of structure, so it is not that much strengthy. So you can see how it looks after installation. It is very minimal gap. If you see between door gaps, these gaps look like so small.